Did you know that even after getting the COVID-19 vaccine, you can still get the infection? क्या आपको बात ये पता थी that even if you've got the vaccine, you can still be a carrier and can transmit the infection to your loved ones? This is absolutely true. अब एक बात आपको याद रखनी है that when you get a vaccine, there are two kinds of vaccines. One that prevent infection to the host and two that prevent infection and transmission. Studies are on, but जहां तक अभी तक न्यूज आई है, the COVID-19 vaccine is not preventing transmission. यानी a person who is vaccinated can still be a carrier. So this brings us to the question that if I'm vaccinated, what do I next have to do? One thing you need to remember is that your vaccination might also have an expiry dose. जैसे COVID-19 infection के बाद 4 to 6 months तक आपके एंटीबॉडीज जिंदा रहते हैं. In the same manner, even after vaccination, you might have to take a booster dose, but this is still very unclear. They're still researching this, but it's unclear. But keep this in your head that you might have to take a booster dose probably a year or year and a half from today. Another thing that you have to keep in mind is that taking both doses is important, but after the first dose, you are not developing antibodies. Yes, it is true. First dose के 2 से 3 हफ्ते बाद some kind of an immune response is generated. Some kind of antibodies are created. But the most important dose is dose number 2. जिसके 2 से 3 हफ्ते बाद you end up developing a full-blown immune response or a large number of antibodies which are capable of fighting the COVID-19 infection. So अगर आपने first dose ले लिया, इसका ये मतलब नहीं आप secure हैं. अगर आपने second dose ले ली है, yes you are secure, but you can still be a carrier. अब let me teach you how antibodies work. जब आपने वैक्सीनेशन ली, आपकी बॉडी ने एंटीबॉडीज क्रिएट किए. नाउ इफ यू गेट इन्फेक्टेड बाय द कोरोना वायरस, दीज एंटीबॉडीज आर गोइंग टू फाइट इट. इसका ये भी मतलब हो सकता है दैट आपको इन्फेक्शन हो जाए और आपको माइल्ड सिम्टम्स दिखें. द रोल ऑफ दीज एंटीबॉडीज इज टू प्रिवेंट अ फुल ब्लोन इन्फेक्शन, इज टू प्रिवेंट हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन, इज टू प्रिवेंट डेथ. बट येस, यू माइट स्टिल हैव सिम्टम्स इवन आफ्टर यू टेकन द वैक्सीन. The second category of people is whether antibodies have fought off the virus completely and you remain asymptomatic. But even if you remain asymptomatic, it does mean that आपके body में अभी भी कोरोना वायरस हार्बर है. It does not mean that you are not a carrier. It does not mean that you cannot transmit it. So even if you've taken the vaccine, do not enter gatherings, do not let your guard down, especially for those people who haven't taken the vaccine. Because even if आपने ले लिया है, आप अभी भी ट्रांसमिट कर सकते हैं, आप अभी भी कैरियर हो सकते हैं. So wearing a mask, maintaining social distance for you and your loved ones is very important even if everybody has taken the vaccine. Because there might be that one individual जिसका immune response इतना full blown नहीं आया है and you being a vaccinated person can transmit it to him. So the moral of the story is, even if you are vaccinated, even if the society is vaccinated, even if your family is vaccinated, whenever you're moving to a mass gathering, whenever you're moving to a space where social distancing will not be maintained, make sure that you're wearing your mask. Do not be under the false assumption that you can never get the coronavirus infection again, even if you're vaccinated. Farm Easy, COVID-free India, aap safe to India safe.